We have finished the computer-aided design and analysis.
This call is now being recorded.
In previous section, we have finished the knowledge about the computer-aided design and computer-aided manufacturing. We have finished. Okay. Sorry, computer-aided analysis. Okay. In 3D software, we have created 3D model. In analytical software, we have analyzed that model. Okay. And after analysis, we have to start the manufacturing. Okay, whatever the different machines are there, different types of programs are there. Okay, whatever the procedure of the manufacturing. Okay, which type of machines are required. Okay, now this type of study, different softwares required for the computer manufacturing. We have to study in this section. Okay, now computer aided manufacturing. Okay, computer aided manufacturing is nothing but there is a very less human entrepreneur. Okay, after programming or according to the 3D model we have given, okay, to that manufacturing machine. Okay, from the uh, 3D model. Okay, 3D model software. Suppose in first image, suppose if you see here, this is the 3D model software. Okay, now one model we have created in 3D design. Okay, now that type of model we have to directly manufacture. Okay, after analysis, we are ready to manufacture. Okay, now after that, with the help of computer aided manufacturing like CNC machine. Okay, this type of model will be generated. Okay, this type of model will be generated according to our object. Okay, now this is in simple word the computer aided manufacturing. Okay, where the driver or operator is computer. Okay, according to your program or according to your input. Okay, that machine will follow his all instruction and they will manufacture the material. Okay, whatever the product. Okay, now this is a computer aided manufacturing. Whatever the different uh, features we have to give. Okay, first of all, diameter, whatever the length. Okay, corner if you require finish material, corner if chamfer is required. Okay, now this type of very simple inputs are there. Okay, now this is all about the computer aided manufacturing. Okay, now this type of study we have to complete in this section number second. Okay, so welcome to chapter number 4. Okay, this is nothing but chapter number first from the section second, fundamentals of NC system. So what is NC? The numerical control. Okay, a fundamental NC system is also very old method. Okay, NC is a very old method. Now currently we are using the CNC. Okay, computer numerical control. Okay, computer numerical control we are using. Now fundamentals of the NC system is nothing but the which actions are controlled by the direct insertion of numerical data. Okay, for the NC system, only numerical data is required. There is no any program like whatever the which type of program required for CNC and VMC machine. Okay, but in NC system only the numerical type data is required. Okay, whatever the different points, whatever the different numerical data. Okay, 0 to 9. Okay, whatever that numerical data we have to use. Okay, very simple NC system. Okay, so let's see what is the syllabus of that NC system chapter. Okay, now first is evaluation of the NC and retrofitting. Okay, whatever the evaluation or the history. Okay, history of NC system and the retrofitting. Retrofitting is also one of the type of manufacturing or maintenance. Okay, whatever we will see later. Now, second point is element of NC manufacturing system. Whatever the elements are there, part program is there. Okay, controller is there. Okay, in this figure, machine tool is also there. Machine control unit is there. Programmer is there. Okay, now these are the elements of the NC manufacturing system. Concept of work zero and machine zero. Okay, what is machine zero? What is work zero? Okay, machine zero is nothing but whatever the starting point of that manufacturing process. Okay, work zero is nothing but the starting point of workpiece. Okay, now very simple concepts are there. Next, the types of NC system, structure, different structures. Okay, drives and other devices. Okay, different drives. Okay, whatever the input drives are there. Okay, electricity, different electric motors are there. Okay, reciprocating system is required. Okay, threaded system is required. Whatever different shafts are required. Okay, these are the different drives are also we have to study. Steps in NC manufacturing. What is the procedure? Okay, procedure is nothing but the steps to complete the manufacturing in CNC machine. Okay, advantages and disadvantages of numerical control technology, flexibility manufacturing system, FMS. Okay, FMS is also a very innovative process. Okay, flexible manufacturing system, as like previous we studied, automation. Okay, flexible automation. Okay, hard automation, soft automation, and flexible automation. As like also in the CNC system, the flexible manufacturing system is also available. Elements of a flexible manufacturing system, application of FMS, merits and demerits of the flexible manufacturing system. Yeah, this is the syllabus of chapter number 4. Okay, fundamentals of the ENC system. Okay, so let's start the point number 1. Okay, introduction. Now, according to the Electronic Industries Association, EIA, okay, they have given the definition of the ENC system. Okay, numerical control is a system in which actions are controlled by direct insertion of numerical data. Okay, at the same point. Okay, now numerical control is also based on the numerical data, only numerical data. Okay, numerical control. In also name itself, they is showing the its meaning. Okay, numerical control. Okay, according to the numerical data, the machine will be controlled. Okay, whatever that manufacturing process will be controlled. Okay. The system automatically interpret at least some portion of this data. Okay, automatically whatever the data we have given, okay, or program in terms of numerical values, okay, that will be followed by the machine. Okay, now today the part program can be generated directly from the CAD database by NC software. A lot of NC softwares are also available. Okay, according to CAD data. Okay, suppose now what is CAD data? CAD data is nothing but the directly object. 3D object is also there. Okay, according to that 3D object or whatever the requirement. Suppose you might have visited industry. Okay, CNC machine also. Okay. Last semester also we have visited the different HG gear in Timbone also. Okay, different CNC machine, different VMC machine we have studied there. Okay, different automatic machines are there. Okay, there is also worker is present. Okay, why? Because of whatever there is no 3D model is available. Okay, only simple manufacturing process is there. Okay, that for that purpose the one person is required for that machine. Okay, they will give input on their particular screen. Okay, but by using the 3D software, 3D model, okay, we can also direct this machine. Okay, now CAD database by NC software is also available. Okay, to create the different program. Okay, creating a program is also available. For that purpose, different softwares are available. Okay, according to our 3D model. Okay, and then can be the input for the NC machine too. Whatever the CAD database, whatever the CAD drawing, okay, that drawing is converted into the NC program. Okay, and that NC program we can give to that NC machine, and definitely our product will be manufactured. Okay, and this is all about the simple introduction of the numerical control. Okay, now these type of machines are also available in our workshop also. So the first point is the evaluation of NC and retrofit. Okay, NC is nothing but the numerical control, and retrofitting is nothing but the whatever the maintenance of that component is also available. Okay, now let's see what is the history of that NC system. Okay, so inventor is a John Person from the MIT. Okay, inventor of NC system is a John. Okay, which is from the MIT. MIT is what? Very critical name is there. Okay, Massachusetts State Institute of the Technology. Okay, Massachusetts Institute of the Technology is nothing but the which is present in US. Okay, United States, America. So Massachusetts Institute of the Technology. Okay, to develop a numerically controlled machine in 1949. Okay, the first NC machine is developed in 1949 in US. Okay, by the MIT. Okay, one MIT is also available in our India, Maharashtra. Okay, but this MIT is different. Okay, Massachusetts Institute of the Technology. Okay, US. Okay, now first NC machine is developed in 1949. Okay, after independence. Okay, tomorrow is our Independence Day. Okay, 1949. Okay, now before I think तुम्हारे 74th independent day, okay, I think 74. So before 73 years, okay, this type of machine is developed. Okay, NC system. Now after that evolution in 1952, okay, prototype NC machine demonstrated using punched tape input. Okay, now some modifications they have made here. Okay, and additional punched tape is also used again. Okay, punched tape is nothing but म्हणजे in film industry also. Okay, now the strip is also available for that time. Okay, there is no any computer that time. ओके ओनली द स्ट्रिप्स आर देअर म्हणजे आपण बघा फिल्म जे होते पूर्वीच्या तर ते एक स्ट्रीप असायची त्याला मशीन असायची त्या स्ट्रिपच्या पुढे ती लाईटच्या पुढे स्ट्रिप गेली की आपल्याला पिक्चर दिसायचा ओके ऍज लाईट ओके नाउ दिस इज व्हेरी ओल्ड प्रोसेस ओके prototype NC machine demonstrated using punched tape input okay different tape type inputs are there okay in our I think in 2001 okay in 21st century also these type of strips are used okay while photography okay in previous 10 years the cameras are manufactured okay, before that ते आपल्याकडे होता बघा कॅनॉनचा कॅमेरा ओके त्याच्यामध्ये रोल टाकणार आपण ओके रोल इज नथिंग बट द स्ट्रिप्स ओके वॉट एव्हर द स्ट्रिप्स कॅप्चरिंग स्ट्रिप्स वन फोटो विल कॅप्चर वन स्ट्रिप ओके म्हणजे त्याला डबल किंवा डिलीट वगैरे ऑप्शन काही नव्हतं त्याचे okay this type of tape punched tape are used for the transfer the data okay transfer the data for the numerical data to that numerical machine okay numerical control now, this is nothing but the innovation okay or evaluation after 7 to 8 years MIT announced the automatic programmed tool APT okay programming language okay the programming language they have manufactured okay or they have started okay MIT announced the automatic programmed tools programming in 1959 after 1 year direct numerical control DNC okay in 1960 DNC is developed okay this eliminated paper tape punched program okay in previous up to 59 okay 1959 they have used the punched type okay punched tape type okay but after that they have started the eliminated paper tape punch program and allows programmers to send files directly to the machine too okay now that time they have started the computer use okay in 1960 दरम्यान ते computer सुरू झाले okay now also they have removed the paper tape punch okay and instead of paper tape punch they have started the programmers send file okay direct to the machine tool okay in 1960 okay this is a journey of near about 11-12 years okay they wasted or they have used 11 to 12 years for this innovation okay this is the evaluation okay now in 1970 after 10 years okay CNC machine tools and distributed numerical control machine are developed okay CNC machine and distributed numerical controls were developed now in 1980 after 10 years graphics geometrical model based CAM system introduced okay in 1990 price dropped in CNC technology okay price were dropped in CNC technology different innovations different advanced machines are there okay the maintenance cost is also reduced okay due to that cost is also reduced okay price dropped in CNC technology in 1990 okay in 1997 PC Windows based CNC system introduced okay whatever the digital screen is available in 1971 okay from then CNC has been windowing system okay and after 2009 okay onwards the Windows 7 is used okay now today in 2020 okay we are using Windows 10 also okay now this is nothing but the history or evaluation okay whatever the evaluation process of the CNC machine or DNC machine okay now today we are using in excluding CNC machine we are using CNC machine okay but NC machine is the mother of manufacturing process okay computer aided manufacturing process like our lathe machine is the mother of all machines okay as like numerical control is also mother of manufacturing process okay which is developed in 1949. Okay, after 1 year of independence. Okay, so keep in mind this is the history. Okay, so am I audible? Anyone? Huh? Evaluation. Huh? Am I audible? Anyone?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So evaluation of NC and retrofitting we have finished. Okay. What is the next? Huh? CNC. Huh? Now the first NC by MIT. Okay, this is a picture taken in 1949. Okay, so this is the first ANC numerical control machine. Okay, manufactured by MIT. Okay, Massachusetts University of Technology. Okay, this is a picture of the first ANC machine. Okay, as like our first computer, we always watch this picture also. Okay, now this for the basic purpose we have kept here. The ANC machine. Okay, if you see in detail, okay, the picture quality is also very low because this picture is from 1949. Okay, before 70 years, this picture is there. Okay, as like drilling tool is also showing here. Okay, if you are visible. Okay, this is one also, one person is also available here. Okay, why? For control this object. Okay, at that time the punch tapes are there. Okay, for the input as an input. Okay, my different roles are or tapes are used. Okay, now this is a the first ANC machine by the MIT. Okay, now see here what is the introduction of the numerical control machine. Okay, so numerical control of machine tool is defined as method of automation. Definitely this is automation in which various functions of machine tools are controlled by the number, letter and symbols. Okay, because name itself numerical control. Okay, whatever the numerical values are there, in numerical value numbers, letters or symbols are there. Okay, by using numerical numbers, letters and symbols we can control that machine is nothing but the numerical control machine. Okay, one image also we have kept here. Okay, this is this ANC machine. Okay, this is also input here. Okay, whatever the input we have to give. Okay, whatever the program we have to insert to that ANC machine. Okay, from this screen or this is the input for the ANC machine. Okay, so this is a very simple numerical control machine tools. Okay, so next slide, elements of the manufacturing system. Okay, before that, what is retrofitting? Retrofitting is also nothing but the maintenance. Okay, suppose one teeth is failed. Okay, now we can generate okay another teeth on that after the pasting. Okay, whatever the pasting material will be there. म्हणजे बघा where the bush is required. Okay, bush type in machine in electric motor also. Okay, म्हणजे जे बाबा शेतकरी असतात त्यांना माहिती असेल बघा सर्टन कालावधीमुळे काय होतं तर इनर पार्ट विल बी रिमूव्ह. ओके, किंवा ब्रेक लायनर म्हणतो आपण गाडीचा व्हेकलचा ब्रेक लायनर जर असेल तर आतलं जे काय तुमची मेन हे आहे मेन व्हील आहे ते सुद्धा कधी कधी ते रिमूव्ह होतं. ओके, मेंटेनन्स ऑफ दॅट. ओके, they will add some material also on that. Okay, okay, this is also nothing but the retrofitting or maintenance. Okay, this type of also used in the NC system. Okay, so elements of the NC manufacturing systems here, elements of the basically three elements are there. Okay, as showing in figure. Okay, program, machine control unit and the processing equipment or the whatever the machine. Okay, manufacturing machine is there. Only three elements are very important here. Okay, now here the retrofitting definition is also there. Retrofitting refers to the addition of new technology or features to the older system. Okay, retrofitting is also nothing but the innovation or maintenance also. Okay, we can see. Now next point is elements of the NC manufacturing system. Okay, I have given notes also. Okay, Handwritten notes are also available. So I will send these notes, okay, early as possible, okay, which are with us, okay. After scanning these notes, I will be given to you, okay, in digital format, okay. Now see here the elements of the NC system, okay, elements of the numerical control system. The basically three elements are there, okay. Part program or program, okay. Second unit is a machine tool control, okay, machine control unit. Second is process equipment, okay. Processing equipment is nothing but the machine tool, whatever the machine is there, CNC machine, drilling, whatever the operation according to your operation, drilling machine, whatever the shaper machine will be there, okay. Which type of processing equipment, okay. Basically three elements are there, okay. What is the part program? Okay, I think in next slide, program of instruction. Part program in machining, machine control unit. Okay, and processing equipment. Hmm? So very different types of inputs are there. Okay, but first of all, see what is a part program. Okay, now part program is nothing but the added instruction. Okay, part program is nothing but the added instruction or the any command. Okay, whatever the requirement we have to manufacture. Okay, suppose we have to manufacture one block. Okay, one cube, okay, or one cylinder type, okay, or cylinder from the any iron block, okay, or iron rod, okay. Now what is the procedure? Okay, what is the instruction, what is the commands are there which are required? For example, first command is centering, okay, finishing, okay, again काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला, facing, turning, okay, knurling, whatever the commands are there in form of number, okay. NC machine is only accessible numbers only, okay. We have to convert our object into NC program, okay. Now this is nothing but a program, whatever the process of to write the program, that also program are also available in our syllabus, okay. In next lecture we have to create program also, okay. Different numbers, different alphabets, by using different alphabets, different symbols, okay. Now according to the logical sequence we have to made that part program, okay. And that part program will be control unit of the machine, okay, transfer to that machine tool, okay. And that performs the series of the operations, okay, whatever the operations we have created in part program, okay. And that NC machine will be followed, okay, because who will be there, the machine control unit is there, which is nothing but the computer, okay. This is nothing but a computer by using computer aided manufacturing, because this is the computer aided manufacturing, okay. That controlling is the role of computer, okay, or any software. Now second part is a machine control unit, okay. What machine control unit will do? The machine control unit include the data processing unit, DPU, okay, and the control loop unit, whatever the program we have given, okay, the sequence of that program, okay, this controlled by the machine tool is nothing but a CPU only, okay. What is the role of CPU? To control the whatever the message from the driver, okay, or message from the programmer to the machine, okay. This is nothing but the process controller, okay. Now machine control unit is the it is the brain of NC system, okay. MCU is nothing but the brain of NC system. It consists of the electronic hardware, okay. MCM or machine control unit is having electronic hardware that reads and interprets the part program, okay, which are able to read part program, or okay, or read the language of numerical, symbolic, or whatever the alphabetical, okay. That language will be read by that hardware, okay. And that program and convert into the mechanical operation, and they will give direction to that last machine, okay. Whatever the process equipment is there, okay, whatever the machine is there, okay. MCU give the direction, or that can control the that process equipment machine, okay. Now third step is last is process equipment. Process equipment is nothing but machine tool, okay. It is the output generating component, okay, of the NC system, which is nothing but the output generating component of machine tool. Whatever the program we have given, okay, that product will be directly manufactured, okay, in that processing equipment, okay. MCU transmit the program of instruction to the machine tool to generate different relative motions between the workpiece and cutting tools, okay. According to different motions, whatever the different directions they have given, okay, from the machine tool, the machine process unit will follow the machine control unit direction, okay. So after at the end you will get the finished object. Okay, after we will get the finished object. And these are the very simple elements of the NC manufacturing system. Okay, NC manufacturing system. Now next is a program of instruction, machine tool. Again, the same part is there. Part programming is nothing but a program instruction. Machine tool control is nothing but the control the process. Okay, and processing equipment is nothing but the perform the process. Okay, or to create the manufacturing product. Okay, some part drawings are also there. This is also methodology. Okay, if you see here, this is the part drawing. Okay, this type of material we require. Okay, this type of component we are required. Now that what we will do, what is the procedure? Okay, after part drawing, we will create the part program. Okay, in terms of numerical. Okay, suppose N030, G00. Okay, now X, Y is nothing but the X direction, Y direction distance. Okay, G, X. Okay, this is nothing but the program. Okay, numerical program. This is also our part of syllabus. Okay, this type of program we have to study in this chapter. Okay, or in next chapter. Okay, you will be able to create any program. Okay, after completion of our chapter. Okay, this is nothing but the part program. Okay, after that part program, the program tape. Okay, in NC program, the program tape will be generated. Okay, and that program tape will be read by the NC system. But today's manufacturing system, there is no tape reading is required. Okay, so directly in terms of file, okay, with the help of internet or with the help of memory card, okay, we can transfer this file from one part to the another part. Okay, and this is the program tape. After that, paper tape reader. Okay, that paper tape reader is also available for the controller. Okay, and here the controller is also there. And according to controller, controller will give direction to the machine. Okay, this is also last part. Okay, process equipment is nothing but whatever the CNC machine like. Okay, gearing, motors are also available. Different tables are there. Okay, turning, knurling, drilling, facing operations will be done at the last of the. These are the nothing but the elements of the NC system. Okay, now see in detail the part program. Okay, the part program is also set of statement that a machine control system can interpret and converted them into signals that move the spindles and drive the machine to. Okay, according to our part program is nothing but the input. Okay, definitely part program is nothing but the input. Okay, set of statements are there, and that statement will be followed by the controller, and controller will pass that instruction to the machine, and that machine or process equipment will different spindles are there, different drives are there. According to your output, sorry, according to your input, okay, they will follow the action. Okay, the part program input device is also mechanism for the part program to be entered into NC control. Okay, the most commonly used program input devices are the keyboards, pointer tape reader, and the network. Okay, and this is nothing but the input methods. Okay, different keywords is nothing but the program. Okay, numerical programs are there. That type of program we can transfer to that machine. Again, the punch tape readers are also available. Okay, punch tape reader is nothing but also one of the input method. Okay, as like previous films are there. Okay, film strip is also there. Like that, punch tapes readers are also available, or also says that the input device. Okay, and networks also. Network is nothing but the internet or any digital file. Okay, suppose CAD file, suppose whatever the STL file. Okay, standard prototype language. Okay, last in prototype language we have studied. Okay, this type of networks or directly with the help of networks. Okay, with the help of internet, we can directly give the that program to that instrument. Okay, from whenever. Okay, keyboard असेल तर तुम्ही स्वतः okay, the operator will be at the machine stage. Okay, but by using internet from my hometown, I can handle all the machines. Okay, due to the internet. Okay, so this is nothing but the part program. Okay, now see here the what is the actually part program. Okay, the part program is a series of coded instruction required to produce a part. Okay, this is nothing but a series of coded instructions. Okay, now see here if you one example is also there. N10, G01, X05, Y2.5, F50. So what is the meaning of N10? Okay, N10 is nothing but the sequence number, whatever the operation. Okay, N1. Okay, What is the N1 operation? This is nothing but serial number, okay, or sequence number, N. What is the G01? Okay, linear interpolation mode. Okay, linear interpolation mode. Now that will be also a part of our syllabus. We will complete or we can able, okay, to write any program. This is the basic. After that, x is nothing but the x coordinate. Okay, whatever the x coordinate, x05 is nothing but the x 5 centimeter. Okay, or x 5 mm. Okay, that machine will be transferred from machine 0 to 0.5. Okay, this we can study afterwards. Now y0 is nothing but y coordinate. Okay, in y direction, x y direction. Now f is nothing but the feed rate, whatever the feed rate. Okay, feed rate is nothing but you might be knowing in CNC lathe machine also. So we are feeding. Okay, while the turning also. Okay, what amount of tool will be moved? Okay, this is nothing but the feed rate. Okay, now feed rate is nothing but F15. These are the formulas. Okay, 15 inch per minute. Okay, whatever the feed rate. Okay, for example, they have taken. Now, part programming is nothing but the series of coded instructions required to produce a part. Okay, it controls the movement of the machine tool and the on-off control of auxiliary functions such as spindle rotation and coolant. Okay, coolant off, spindle, start spindle. Okay, like that program, like that statement we have to require for the part program. Okay, the coded instructions are composed of letters, numbers, and symbols and are arranged in the format of functional block as in the following example. Okay, that type of the according to the sequence number. Okay, म्हणजे कुलंट विल बी स्टार्ट कधी कुलंट चालू झालं पाहिजे ऑब्जेक्ट संपल्यावर का नाही बिफोर start the manufacturing. Okay, before start the whatever the operations, machining operation will be there. Okay, spindle after spindle start, coolant will be start. This is nothing but a sequence. Okay, now this is a one type of one example. Okay, one example we have taken here. Okay, now after whenever we will be complete our part programming lecture. Okay, now you will be able to write such a program. Okay, if you see here, this is nothing but a n. Okay, this green value is showing the n or sequence of number. After that, G is nothing but the S is nothing but the spindle speed. Okay, then G is nothing but the whatever the process. Okay, whatever the G in previous slide we have studied. Okay, G is nothing but the linear interpolation. Okay, whatever which type of interpolation, which type of direction. Okay, suppose this example we have taken. Okay, this type of machine we have required. So what is the procedure? Okay, the first statement is to start the whatever the interpolation mode we will give. Okay, or sequence number we will give. Whatever the interpolation will be give. Okay, after that the spindle on. Okay, spindle will be on. म्हणजे मोटर चालू होणार बरोबर का? After that the whatever the coolant will be on. Okay, coolant will be on. Okay, after that our tool will be reach that from 0 to 1. Okay, and this is also our next point we will see there. Okay, now this is the procedure. Okay, according to this program, that machine will be follow instruction. Okay, this is nothing but the part program. Okay, whatever the speed of spindle, whatever the speed of x direction, all these things will be showing in digital display. Okay, spindle speed is there, distance. Okay, whatever the x direction, z direction. Okay, y direction. Okay, now that all things will be displayed on the that computerized or numerical digital screen. Okay, these are the some input methods are there. Okay, whatever the animation is required, whatever the simulation is also available. Okay, this is all the part program related information. Okay, now the program input devices. What are the program input devices? Okay, 250. Okay, am I audible? Anyone?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Any doubt? I will watch how many students are present. 25. Okay. Today's strength is very less. बरोबर आता बघा त्यातले उड्या मारल्या का कोणी अटेंडन्स घेतल्यानंतर 42 नंबर 1 2 नाही तुझा ओके वेट So whatever the input devices are there, okay, for the part program, okay, the program input devices is the mechanism for the part program to be entered into NC control. Okay, the most commonly used program input device is the punched tape reader. Okay, because we are studying the NC program. Okay, our chapter name is also numerical control, fundamentals of the numerical control. Due to that, we have to study this type of punched tape readers. Okay, punched tape readers. So see here, we have taken different punch cards are there. Okay, these are the this type of punch cards are used for the NC coded. Okay, or numerical control program. As like our ATM. Okay, ATM is having different information. Okay, like this, the punch cards are there. Okay, this punch card is included numerical program. Okay, and that can be accessible by NC program. Okay, or NC machine. Okay, these are the input methods. Okay, punch cards will be there. Okay, next is punch tapes are there. Okay, what are the punch tape? Huh? These type of punch tapes are there. Okay, already I have studied. I have given one example. Okay, like film strips are there. Okay, or cassette tapes are there. पूर्वी कॅसेट असायची रेडिओची बरोबर का तसेच these are also tape readers are there. ओके ते आता कुठं बघायला मिळत नाही आपल्याला कुठे तरी शेतात दिसतं बघा ते पाकर बसून म्हणून लावलेलं ओनली this use is also remaining. Okay, so this type of tape readers are there. Okay, so what is the punch tape? Okay, the theoretical part sequence of processing steps is called as a part program. Definitely the medium to write a part program in NC machine was a 1-inch punch tape. Okay, they have given the size of tape. Okay, that machine was a 1-inch punch tape. Okay, 1 inch is nothing but the whatever the height of that tape. Okay, whatever the length will be variable. Okay, according to your program. NC machine coding system uses alphabetical characters, numerical and other specific symbols in the part program. Okay, these are the punch tapes are there. Okay, these type of punch tapes are having. Okay, now this is showing आता आपल्याला हे माहित नाही. Okay, we don't know what is the language of that tape. Okay, but definitely NC machine can be access this language. Okay, now these are the tape input types. Okay, these type of inputs are used for the NC system. Okay, see here, a detailed structure is also there. Okay, what is the value? Okay, now this type of analysis, strip analysis is also here. Okay, binary values. Okay, different Boolean operations are there. Different binary values are there. Okay, now what is the meaning of that? Okay, this is not our syllabus part, but this is very critical. Okay, only accessible to this NC system. Okay, but this is also created by human only. Okay, for that purpose we have kept this slide here. Okay, this type of analysis of that strip is also there. Okay, now the strip reader. बघा. नेक्स्ट इज द स्ट्रीप रीडर वॉट एव्हर द स्ट्रीप इज देअर. ओके, म्हणजे आपण पूर्वी कॅसेट असायचं आपल्याकडे बरोबर का जुने गाण्याचे. ते कॅसेट त्यात टाकले की ते काय होणार आहे स्ट्रीप एका काय म्हणतो आपण एका रोलर पासून दुसऱ्या रोलरला जाईल बरोबर का. इन बिटवीन दॅट द रीडर इज देअर. ओके, ते रीड करणार ते गाणं वाजणार बरोबर का. वॉट एव्हर द फिल्म विल बी क्रिएटेड इन आवर DVD machines are there. Okay, DVD is also there, CDs are also there. Okay, and this is nothing but the tape readers. Okay, this is tape readers are also there. Okay, different boxes are there. Whatever we say that the set-top box are there. Okay, different speaker, different mic systems are there. Okay, like this. This is a very old method. Okay, punch tape readers. Okay, like this. This type of punch tape readers was available there. Okay. In terms of with the help of some pictures. Okay, this will be very easy for understanding. Okay, for that purpose I have added this slide in there. Okay. Okay, this type of the punch readers are available. Okay. Now after part programming, second point is the machine control unit. Okay, whatever the machine control unit is nothing but CPU. Okay. The machine control unit is the heart of the NC system. It is used to perform the following functions. Okay, what are the functions of NC unit? Okay, machine control unit having following functions. Okay, now the read coded instructions. Okay, one by one. This is the main functions of the machine control unit. Okay, decode coded instruction. Okay, whatever the codes are there. Okay, the codes are recorded in our tape readers. Okay, sorry, tape. Okay, whatever the term punched tapes are there. Okay, different rolls are there. Okay, and now to read that punched tape. Okay, this is also function of the that MCU. Okay, machine control unit. Decode coded instruction. Whatever the code is generated, decode or read that code is nothing but the decode. Okay. Now provide decoded information to the control loops of the machine. Okay. Access of motion. Okay. Different access of motion. Whatever the actions, whatever the motions we required. Okay. And that instruction in terms of that coded unit. Okay. That machine control unit will transfer to the machine. Okay. Process equipment. The control machine tool operation. Whatever the overall machine tools is controlled by the machine control unit. Okay. Now machine control unit is having two types: data processing unit (DPU) and the control loop unit. Okay. Now data process unit and the it includes data process unit and the control unit. Okay. So in detail, what is the data process unit? Okay. Now data process unit is read the part program, decode it, process the information and passes it to the second step. Okay. Control loop unit. Okay. Machine control unit is having two parts. The first part is function is to read the part program, decode it. Okay, to read the part program, decode it, and process the information or pass the information to the CLU. Okay, CLU is nothing but the control loop unit. What is CLU? CLU converts the information to control signals and drive the mechanism, receives feedback about position and the velocity. Okay, and instruct DPU to read new instruction. Okay, whatever the instruction for DPU. Okay, CLU will pass that instruction to that machine. Okay, after that they will take also feedback from that machine. Okay, whatever the end machine or whatever the process equipment. CNC, drilling machine may be there, finishing machine will be there. Okay, and now feedback from to providing data to machine and take feedback. Okay, this is a function of CLU, control loop unit. Okay, this is the overall function of the MCU, machine control unit. Okay, and they have also here the whatever the in detail DPU and CPU. Okay, CLU, DPU and CLU, data processing unit and the control loop unit. Okay, so see in detail DPU, data process unit. Data process unit includes at least input devices, pointer tape reader. Okay, whatever the input devices, keyboard may be there. Okay, mouse may be there, or pointer tape may be there. Okay, reading circuits and checking logic. Okay, logic is nothing but whatever the program is having logic unit. Okay, decoding circuits. Okay, whatever the circuits or whatever the tape reader is having to decode that. Okay, to decode the code. Okay, is nothing but the function of DPU. Okay, for the distributing the data among the controlled access. Now interpolators which supplies velocity commands between the successive point taken from the drawing. Okay, now drawing is also available. Okay, according to drawing or according to our part program. Okay, they will transfer overall data to the next point. What is the control loop unit? Okay, CLU. Okay, CLU. Now what is the function of CLU? CLU consists of following circuits. Okay, positive control loop for the all axis of motion. Okay, whatever the position, okay, whatever the process, they will transfer to the machine. Velocity control loop. Okay, whatever the inputs, velocity, speed of that machine. Okay, speed of feeder. Okay, feed rate, spindle rate. Okay, that will be controlled by the CLU. Okay, auxiliary functions control such as coolant on, coolant off, spindle on, spindle off. Okay, this operation will be also accessed by the CLU. Okay, control loop unit. Okay, this is all about the machine control unit. Okay, now last is a process equipment. Okay, last element of the NC system is the process equipment. Okay, processing equipment is nothing but directly whatever the machines. Okay, drilling machine, shaper machine, whatever the mechanical machine is there. Okay, this is nothing but control unit, and this is nothing but the process equipment. Okay. Okay, now this is all about the work. Here the CNC, whatever the operations will be there. Okay, lathe machine will be there, whatever the drilling machine will be there. Okay, whatever the shaper machine will be there. Okay, whatever we I don't know, different type of manufacturing machine will be there. Okay, now that will be controlled by the control system unit. Okay, control unit. Okay, am I audible? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Independent day. Huh. So after machine control unit, okay. Last we have studied the processing equipment. Okay, processing equipment. Now second type is the work concept of work zero and machine zero. So very simple is there. Okay, concept of work zero and machine zero. Okay, here we have to start our manufacturing. Okay, here we have to start our manufacturing after the according to the different programs are there. According to different programs are there. Different numerical programs are there. Different tape readers are there. Okay, different codes are there. Now see here the work zero. Okay, now work zero is the location from which program starts. Okay, this type of questions will be asked in a computer examination. Okay, this is very important. Okay, work zero and machine zero. The concept is very easy, but at the time of examination, okay, we can't remember it. Okay, so keep in mind these are very important points. Okay, work zero for MCQ type also. MCQ will be asked on such points. Okay, now work zero and machine zero. Okay, now zero is nothing but the starting point. Okay, whatever the starting point. Okay, work zero is nothing but it is a location from which program start or operation start. Okay, we start work zero is nothing but the location of program start. Okay, म्हणजे ऑब्जेक्ट असेल ऑब्जेक्टचा स्टार्ट पॉईंट कुठून असेल तो इज नथिंग बट वर्क झिरो. Okay, whatever the starting point of object. Okay, suppose we have to create one gear. Okay, one gear we have to manufacture on a milling machine. Okay, now what is the work zero? Work zero is nothing but the starting point of that product. Okay, and what is the machine zero? Machine, whatever the extreme, or okay, what is the end point of that tool? Okay, now work zero and machine zero is related to the tool. Okay, whatever the tool is there, whatever the knurling tool is there, whatever the drilling tool is there, whatever the facing tool is there, whatever the turning tool is there. Okay, now what is the position of that tool is nothing but the zero concept. Okay, work zero. Okay, now if you see here in this image, okay, the detailed explanation is there. Okay, what is machine zero? See here, first point is the work zero. Okay, now work zero is here. Okay, where the work zero? Where the starting point of workpiece. Okay, because this काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला कुठला कलर आहे रे विच कलर हा hello. So work zero is having starting of that workpiece. Okay, this is a workpiece. Okay, this is workpiece, whatever the operation we have to made on that. Okay, now this is the starting point of workpiece is nothing but the work zero. And what is machine zero? Machine zero is nothing but the starting point of machine. Okay, whatever the distance in between workpiece and the machine. Okay, now here machine zero. Okay, now machine zero is the origin of the coordinate system which is defined by the manufacturer. They can't be changed. It is also called as fixed zero. Okay, now it machine zero is nothing but the extreme point of the tool movement. Okay, now that tool, okay, that tool will maximum move towards up to machine zero. Okay, ह्याच्या बाहेर तो टूल जाणार नाही, त्या मशीनच्या बाहेर जाणार नाही. This is nothing but the boundary of that tool is nothing but the machine zero. Okay, the end point on boundary is nothing but the machine zero, and work zero is nothing but the starting point of the work. Okay, very simple definition are there. Okay, so next point is the types of NC system. Okay, next point is the types of NC system. Now the different types are there according to the work and tool relationship. Okay, so I think from last 1.5 hours we are studying only theoretical parts. Okay, so are you bored or not? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
So let's take a so what should we do? Huh? अरे फ्रेश theoretical चालू आणि कुठलं फ्रेश असायचं काय हा ठीक आहे एनीवन so I will ask you one question okay so please give the answer okay let's interaction for the 5 minutes okay so what is work zero okay anyone what is work zero anyone please give the answer तुम्ही हे समजलं तर मग ठीक आहे नाहीतर आपण थांबवू लेक्चर ओके हा का जागेत आहात का सगळे ठीक आहे message from where work started definitely okay work zero is nothing but where the work start on workpiece okay very good and what is machine zero roll number 2 Shraddha Gajikosh ठीक आहे what is the work zero and what is machine zero हा प्रणय
Yes, sir.
where the work say end
Yes, sir.
ha Pranay what is work zero
Work zero means.
are you listening me
Yes, sir. Work zero means from where operation is starts. That point is called as work zero.
okay very good. Work zero whatever the work piece starting point okay where the work will start in the work zero and what is machine zero
Machine zero is a fixed location from which the machine starts. It is a fixed.
Definitely this is fixed is nothing but the boundary levels okay boundary levels of that tool okay not machine whatever the tool now toolbox is there okay now tool holder is there okay now tool will be moved म्हणजे आपण जे काय म्हणतो if you consider the lathe machine okay on racket that tool holder will be moving okay that point is nothing but the machine zero okay now our extreme condition of the tool okay extreme condition of the tool work zero and machine zero is related to the tool okay whatever the tool drilling tool whatever the facing tool whatever the knurling tool whatever the threaded tools okay work zero and machine zero is related to the 3D machine sorry tool okay machine tool okay so next point is the types of ANC system okay so only 20 minutes are remaining so let's see we will take the overview only today okay and next lecture we will finish our types of so from very long time we are studying theory so types of ANC system the types of ANC system according to work and tool relationship okay now second type is based on the motion type okay whatever the point to point NC system straight cut NC system okay country system countering system okay according to based on the position element okay incremental or absolute types of control system okay based on power supply okay now, these are the nothing but different types of NC system okay so in next lecture we will study a point to point NC system okay so we will stop here okay very simple types are also very simple okay only theoretical parts I have taken different very good images also for the understanding for the better understanding okay definitely that will be easy okay for understanding so strength is also very less and from last 1.5 hour we are studying okay only theoretical part so I hope you have listened me okay all the points we have finished okay so again we will take revision of today's lecture okay and again we will meet next lecture okay so see here we started from computer aided manufacturing okay whatever the basic concept for the manufacturing we have completed okay again fundamentals of NC system chapter we have started okay this is the syllabus okay overview of syllabus we have taken introduction of the numerical control definition of numerical control okay what is the procedure we have also studied CAD database by the NC software okay so this type of study we have learned today evaluation of NC system and retrofitting okay NC is nothing but numerical control and retrofitting is nothing whatever the maintenance or additional innovation. Okay, is nothing but retrofitting. Now, inventor. Okay, who is the inventor? John is a scientist. Okay, or inventor. Okay, from the MIT. MIT is nothing but the Massachusetts Institute of the Technology. Okay, that will be definitely asked in the MCQs. Okay, definitely this will be asked in the MCQs. So keep in mind or try to so anyone please do the pronunciation of that. Okay. म्हणजे मला येते तुम्हाला येते का बघू आपण ते. Okay, let's take as assignment. Massachusetts Institute AD1. हॅलो. तुम्ही म्हणाला काहीतरी मास्तर सांगते वाचायला होत्या. नाही पण बघा ते तुम्हाला जमते का बघा. Okay, what is the actually pronunciation? Okay, Massachusetts Institute of the Technology. Okay, anyone? So write down, all of you write down this MIT. Okay, so let it be. तुम्हाला काय तेवढे येणार एवढा विश्वास आहे तुमच्यावर माझा. ठीक आहे. After that, what is the evolution? Okay, a prototype in 1952. Okay, after some innovations were added there. Okay, DNC were created. Okay, developed. Okay, and after 1970, CNC machine has introduced. Okay, this is all about the history or evolution. Evolution is nothing but whatever the history. Okay, so after that, NC machine. Okay, first NC machine we have watched. Okay, this is a first NC machine. Again, numerical control machine. Okay, today's in industry these type of NC machines are used. Okay, already we have visited different industries. Okay, in industrial visit also. Okay, a different operation, different procedure. Okay, now here the display is there. Okay, according to display or input device, okay, we can give the input to the NC machine. Okay, so again different elements of manufacturing system we have studied. Program, machine tool, control unit. Okay, in detail what is the machine tool? We have studied today. So very simple points are there. Okay, this is the procedure. What are the part program? Program tape, program paper tape reader, controller. Okay, again process equipment. Okay, we have studied detailed part program. Okay, after that, what is actually program? Okay, how program is made. Okay, that type also we have studied. Different input devices. Okay, due to the size of file. Okay, this gives time for the opening. Punched tape. Okay, this type of also input devices. Okay, again punched tapes are also there. Okay, like this punch tape are used for the NC system. Okay, but in today's industry, okay, there is directly memory card is available. Okay, according to we can transfer the program in memory card, and that memory card will be filled in our whatever the NC machine is there. Okay, now this is nothing but today's innovation. Okay, this is also inner programming are there. Whatever the program or whatever the values of different dots. Okay, whatever the values of different codes. Okay, that we have also studied. Okay, these are the different tape readers. Okay, these are the different tape readers. Now again, we have studied punch tape readers also. Okay, punch tape we have studied. So next, machine control unit. Okay, second after part programming machine control unit. Okay, different types of machine control unit. Two types are there. Okay, DLC and CLU. Okay, DPU and CLU. Okay, data processing unit. What is the function of DPU? They convert or decode code system. Okay, transfer to CLU. What is the role of CLU? To transfer the data from DPU to the machine or process equipment and take the feedback. Okay, this is a function of CLU. It's a control loop unit. Okay, in detail definition we have studied. Okay, what is CLU? What is the DPU? process equipment. Okay, last point is the process equipment in nothing but whatever the machines are required. Okay, so concept of work zero and machine zero we have studied. Okay, and types of CNC system. So in next lecture we can complete this article. Okay, very simple syllabus is there. So today we will stop here. Okay, because from last 1 hour, 2 hour we are studying only theoretical part. So take a rest for 10 minutes. Okay, for between next lecture. So I will stop here. So stop the recording.